Hello everyone, I'm Huma Qureshi and I welcome you to our special health series, Aapke Liye, an anemia awareness program from Ajanta Pharma, wherein we dive into conversations around everyday health concerns that often get overlooked, and one such issue that affects millions of people, especially women, but often goes undiagnosed or ignored: anemia. If you've ever felt unusually tired, dizzy, please don't ignore, as this might be something worth paying attention to and help us understand what anemia really is and why it matters. I'm joined by an expert who'll walk us through the science, causes, and most importantly, what we can do about it. Doctor, please help us understand what iron deficiency anemia is and how common it is amongst Indian women, especially during pregnancy.
Hi Huma, yes, iron deficiency is most common in India. So every third woman in India are suffering from anemia. So women during her reproductive age group, during her adolescent, they suffer from anemia due to blood loss. During every month they lose around 50 to 80 ml of blood, and they don't take iron supplements. So this causes tiredness, weakness in them. So they have to take iron supplements every month after their periods.
So what is the ideal hemoglobin level for women both during pregnancy and otherwise? And what are the main causes of iron deficiency anemia in both these groups? Do the risk factors differ?
So in a healthy young woman, it should be ideally hemoglobin should be around 12 mg per deciliter, and in a pregnant woman, if it is 11 grams, that is also enough. But in our daily practice, we see anemia means hemoglobin will be less than 8, or it will be between 8 to 9, as they don't take iron supplements, and even though if they take iron rich food, the absorption will be low in some women and it causes iron deficiency. So every woman should take iron supplements during pregnancy and adolescence as well.
So what are the signs and symptoms of iron deficiency anemia during pregnancy, and how does it affect the mother and the fetus?
Hi Huma, yes, iron deficiency is most common in India. So every third woman in India are suffering from anemia. So women during her reproductive age group, during her adolescent, they suffer from anemia due to blood loss. During every month they lose around 50 to 80 ml of blood, and they don't take iron supplements. So this causes tiredness, weakness in them. So they have to take iron supplements every month after their periods.
So does the Indian diet meet the increased iron needed during pregnancy, and what are the possible detrimental effects of anemia on the mother and fetus?
Thank you, Huma, for asking the question. This is an important question, as many women think that they are taking iron rich diet. What is the need for taking iron supplements in pregnancy? So there will, as the baby is growing, there is demand for iron, there is demand for nutrition, and oxygen carrying capacity of the mother also decreases, and her heart also should work more, as she has to, as she is carrying the baby, and her heart, the workload on the heart also will be more. So the deficiency of iron occurs more during pregnancy. And if there is deficiency of iron, the patient, most of them in the first trimester, they will have vomitings, they will have headaches, they will have edema in the feet, means swelling of the feet, and they'll feel dizzy, tired, they'll feel very sleepy, and they'll have fatigue. Especially in working women, it will be very difficult to cope up with the work and managing the pregnancy as well.
What are the common side effects of oral iron supplements, and what measures do you suggest to reduce these side effects and ensure better compliance?
Yes, Huma, side effects are there with iron medication, but if you take it properly, there will be no side effects. Many pregnant women avoid taking iron supplements because of those side effects. Mostly it will be bloating, constipation, and some patients will have nausea, vomiting as well if they don't take it properly on time. So I will share with you few tips how to take the iron medication. First, they have to take plenty of liquids. They have to take iron tablet after food, after their meal, most probably afternoon, after lunch, or after dinner. And they can take or along with the tablet they can take a glass of orange juice or so. They should avoid taking iron tablet with tea or coffee.
Thank you, doctor, for sharing your valuable insights and guiding all of us on anemia and its management for better outcomes. Thank you.